In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel reserved time on Calendly. Before we clear anything, let's quickly align on what reserved time means in Calendly. Reserved time is a temporary hold you place on specific time slots so that only the person with your one-off link can book them. It's great for giving someone a small private selection of times, but when plans change, you might need to remove those holds. That's exactly what we'll do. Start by opening Calendly and heading to your scheduling area where your meeting types live. Once you're there, choose one-off meeting. Reserve time only applies to one-off meetings, so this is the section where you'll manage it. If you haven't created the one-off link yet, you can set one up quickly so you know what we're canceling. Select the time slots you want to offer for reservation. These are the specific windows you're temporarily holding. After picking the times, click Next to proceed. Then choose New One-Off Meeting. On the setup screen, make sure the Reserve Times option is enabled. This is the switch that makes those selected slots held and hidden from your general availability. With that context in place, let's move to clearing those holds. Go to Single-Use Links. This is where your one-off meetings and their reserved times are listed. Find the specific one-off link you created for your invitee. Open the menu by clicking the three dots next to that link. From the menu, choose Clear Reserved Times. When you click Clear Reserved Times, Calendly releases those held slots back into your regular availability so anyone can book them again. This does not cancel an actual scheduled event, it only removes the temporary holds. If an invitee hasn't booked yet, they won't receive a cancellation notice because there isn't a confirmed meeting. If a meeting had already been booked from that link, you'd manage that separately as a normal event cancellation. A few tips as you wrap up. Double check you're clearing the correct one-off link, especially if you manage multiple links for different people. Clearing reserved times is helpful if your invitee has gone quiet, if you've agreed on a different time, or if you want those slots back for general bookings. And remember, you can always create a new one-off link later and reserve a fresh set of times. That's it. You've seen how to set up reserved times for a one-off meeting and, more importantly, how to cancel those holds by clearing reserved times. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling here.